wheelchair categories. So it's good evening from Will Downing, good evening to Tolson Tollett, and Martina Caironi is the focus of attention in this women's long jump T63.
Absolutely, good evening. The world record holder, European record holder, championship record holder. She was silver back in 2015 at the Worlds. She was 100 metres in 2016 in Rio. There she is on left of the screen.
For the final of the women's long jump T63. Bronze for Switzerland in the 100 metres final. Her first major championship medal, Sofia Gonzalez. Next up for Spain, fourth in the 100 metres final the other night, sixth in the long jump of the last Euros, Desiree Villa-Bajela. For France, 4 metres a lifetime best set this year, Alexandra Nuchet. Next up, the silver medalist in the 100 metres final the other night, Elena Carter from Switzerland. And here is the 100 metres champion from this week. Silver in Rio in the Paralympic Games in this long jump. She is the defending champion here as well. So Martina Caironi ready to go. Her first attempt in the women's long jump, where she is the defending European champion. She has adapted a very good style in this. Good and smooth. Taking off with the prosthetic a la Marcus Rame. Is she in the form for something decent lengthwise again tonight? We'll see. Caironi starts with 4.93. It's a new championship record straight away. And she leads by almost.
As we head back to the long jump, and Caironi.
We are gliding through this competition, so is she. 4.93 she kicked off with. And she's looking really firm and fine and in mood to defend her title successfully. Well, if she can start off with something like a 4.93, that's only 7 centimetres off her own world record that was set 2 years back. Who knows what kind of form she's in? She's up for it, there's no doubt about that. A new world record, 5 metres, 0.5 for Martina Caironi. She's set for Tokyo, there's no doubt about that. And the title is heading away again. No doubt about it. She's never